SoundBot, USB, Bluetooth, wireless speaker. I love this thing. I use it all the time. I think I got it on Amazon for like 25 bucks. The bass on it sounds great. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it in the little clip I tried to record. It'll fill up a room easily. If you live in a one-bedroom apartment, fill that up no problem. Even the house where I'm staying at right now, it'll fill up, you know, most of the downstairs. I can take it outside, take it by the pool. I mean, this thing is awesome. Micro USBs, nice and simple, connects no problem. Battery life on it, probably closer to 2 to 3 hours. I mean, I'm not going by off any technical specs. This is just, you know, what I've experienced and just what I think of it. Definitely, if you're in the market, SoundBot, check it out. At least consider it. 25 bucks, can't go wrong.